could work even now if I hadn't lost all bravery. Never really thought I'd find someone. Should have held to that like sanctity. Isn't it funny how we haven't spoken since I killed the mood? I wondered if we'd reconnect now. I was nervous but I scared you. You're kind, my breath, my mind, your dress. Such a friendly smile, such a pretty heart. You got more self-esteem than me, I'm sorry that you're smart, but still I think we're young. Trouble catching clues, taking back that I'm sorry since I'm happy for you. I've grown as a person, but I'm me to the death. Remember how I was fun, I thought set apart from the rest. I think we wouldn't have a want, I think we could be carefree. The thought in my mind is a haunt, trapped between the devil and the deep blue sea. New tides, get off my chest. What if we tried? Put it to the test. Such a pretty smile, such a friendly heart. You've got more self-esteem than me, I'm sorry that you're smart, but still I think we're young. Trouble catching clues, taking back that I'm sorry since I'm happy for you. Taking back that I'm sorry since I'm happy, 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 happy for you. Give me grace.
Ready for this?
Okay. Oh, I forgot
My mom
cat.
should be here in like 10 minutes.